laddus.
I thought that you would say that word. But if we start eating laddus, then who will be hosting this ceremony?
You are right, Vijay. Laddus are the reward for the journey in this celebration. And today, as we gather here, we are not just looking back to 1950. We are looking forward to 2047.
2047, you mean Vikasit Bharat?
Yes, I absolutely mean Vikasit Bharat.
What is Vikasit Bharat actually?
Vikasit Bharat is a vision put forward by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, whose aim is to transform India from a developing economy to a fully developed economy. It wants to make India #1 in healthcare, science and education. And in order to know more about Vikasit Bharat, here we are having a video presentation. So I request everybody to please pay attention on the screen.
Give it.
Reminding us of our cultural roots. Let's welcome them. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
మరి సిగ్నల్ కరెక్ట్ ఉంది సిగ్నల్ కరెక్ట్ ఉంది ఇదేమి సెంటర్ పాయింట్ అసలు